Hello friends, today I will tell you about my English project called The Happy Prince is a story kids about at the same time very interesting. This story is the famous grade of plays, poetry and novels told about Oscar Wilde. Well, now I will tell you my biography of Oscar Wilde and to summary of the story of the Happy Prince. Let's start with the video. Okay, my biography. My name is Daniela Perez Hidrobo. I am student of secondary. My grade is 6-1. Good today to go the story of The Happy Prince. The Happy Prince is a short story by Oscar Wilde. Will also tell you the biography of Oscar Wilde. Good, why got more problem? Let's start. Okay, let's go. Biography of Oscar Wilde. Biography of Oscar Wilde. His first name is Oscar Fingal, a flower. Will. His last name is Will Hebron, the 16th of October 130, on grave 54 in Dublin, Ireland. The father of Oscar Wilde, his name is Senior William Wilde. He hope of Senior William Wilde is doctor. The mother is Oscar Wilde is called Lady Jane Francesco Wilde. The son of Oscar Wilde is called William Charles and Cumbury Wilde. The sister of Oscar Wilde is Isola Francesca Emily Wilde. The wife of Oscar Wilde is Constance Mark Wilde. His hope of in London. The famous work of Oscar Wilde, The Canterville Ghost, The Happy Prince, The Pictures of Dorian Gray, The Importance of Being Earnest, Lady Windermere Fans, Tunes Lie in Dublin, of Dor-Broten and Paris. The countries visit by Oscar Wilde is America and Europe, and BT Day the Oscar Wilde Day was the 13th of November 2009 under in Paris, France. Okay. One cap of the Happy Prince. The summary of the first chapter of the Happy Prince is about a golden switch that shows two sharper and the eyes and eye ruby in the feet of each show that ever joined admire until one night a late beer crosser therewith is he had to go to Egypt to winter as his companion did, and he had not yet left because he fell in love with a river road. The little beer broke it because they did not escape, and because he had to go to Egypt, and she did not. accompanied him if Helen and come to the city as the lead beer called no fly, but it was tonight. Then I want to wear the statue of the Happy Prince was to rest until it beer was falling as play a little broke. The talk tie it was rain callous under drop Aster to head angry and when he loved to life that please. Another drunk come and light up and say they are beautiful sharpens the weir and the princess eyes were terror. His face was beautiful with the reflection of the moon. Then the bear acts for with screeching and he says the because he cannot do anything for a woman who has many problems. The only thing he had was the bright ruby of his oar, but he could not do anything to keep as it is to keep to the pedestal and no skull move in a bed. The bear and the bear have him compassion. The prince then went to take the woman, the ruby, the happy princess had him her and that night she stayed with him. Okay, let's go. Come on. Two Cup of the Happy Prince. In the two car of the Happy Prince is a tall a person wore 60 beer in winter in the city center. Strong to him since all the beers going Gunther to Egypt and sent a letter of the color period. Bardia had planned to irse that night to Egypt. Winter night come to lie beer told the prince that they had to go to Egypt. He helped him to stay another night with him to help a man will not help because not to finish apply and the man felt he could no longer do his work and the bear told him that it is okay and staggered. We him scour a ruby the hip tip to the man but the prince told him that unfortunately he did not have another ruby. Then he told the bear to take one of the sharpened that ahead in his eyes. The bears refused, but eventually he did and left it the taller at his desk, and the man shook the sharpened shack that he could continue with his work and the bear. He started with the princess happy another night more. Three Cup of the Happy Prince. In the Three Cupper of the Happy Prince is that the bear already wants to go to Egypt, and when it is night goes to the happy prince and tell him that he has to alive, but the prince told him to stay another night, and the bear then accept the prince tell him that there is a girl who watches both uniformly feel in the storm, and if he did not come with money to the house, the puppy was the crack. Then the prince asked the bear to stay. The after chapter of his other eye the bear roughs, but has no other option and takes away the sharpen and goes and give it to the girl. She goes home happy. The prince is blinking the bear tell him home. Bear told him what happened. Blink he's going to stay with him forever. Then Bear tell him what happens with the city. The prince, when he heard the there are too many for plop, then tells the bear to take the gold off of his armor and hide it to the poor Einsteins. What the little bear did why all the plopper are the happy the bear is going today. Then says goodbye with I kissing the mouth of the prince and falls or his legs the poor bear, and the prince of Xenos brags as her of air, and when good tells on one of him angel to bring you the press I of heard the angel brings a beer and a hair of iron wax, and he say this beer he will live in paradise, and this statue in my condom to praise me. Okay, guys, stop. I terminate. Goodbye.